3E. The 10-digit number 3872649A0B is divisible by 36. The letters A and B each represent single-digit even numbers. Find the sum of A plus B. Wow, so this is a lot of numbers right here, and it's divisible by 36. So when solving this type of problem, you need to think about what it means if a number is divisible by 36. 36, you should know, is going to be 4 times 9, which each of these are very special numbers. 4, well, that's because the last 2 digits of any multiple of 4 add up to multiple of 4. So that's a pattern. There's lots of these patterns that if you memorize them, these number sense problems will get easier. So therefore, any number that's a multiple of 36 means that it's a product of 4. If you look right here, B is the last 2 digits, so that's okay. Now what about 9? Well, 9 is when, if it's a multiple of 9, any multiple of 9's digits added together would also be a multiple of 9. So all digits added together is multiple of 9. Okay, now knowing these two concepts, everything would be much easier. So let's first start with the 4. The number 3872649 A0B. Digits that are multiple of 4 include 0, 4, and 8. So if B equals 0, then A, what would A equal? Both of these digits are even numbers, so 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So if B equals 0, then A cannot equal 0 or 2, and it can't equal 4 either. And what if it equals 3? That would equal 35, and that would not work either. So B does not equal 0. What if B, notice how I'm listing down like if then statements right here. If B equals 4, then what would A equal? We know that this has to add up to a multiple of 9. So if B already equals 4, so 4 plus 0 is 43. So A will have to add up to something in order to become a multiple of 9. Can't be 0. Could be 2. Can't be 4. Can't be 6 either. And it can't be 8. So this A would have to equal 2. So that's a possibility. If B equals 8, then what would A equal? 47 can't add up to 0. 47 can't add up to 2. 47 can't add up to 4 in order to become a multiple of 9. 53 doesn't work either. And it can't be 55. So this does not work either, which means that out of all of this, B can only equal 4. So this is the right statement. B equals 4 and A equals 2. Now what's the question asking for? It's asking for the sum. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So the answer is 6. That's the answer. Now before I close this video, I would like to do a wrap up of our solution. How do we do this? Well, what we did was we looked at, each of these. We thought about what 36 meant. If it was divisible by 36, it would mean that it was equal to 49. We were able to split it up. And we knew the rules, and then we applied the divisible rules to this problem. So after all of these testing, we were able to find it out. And you see, you have 7 whole minutes right here. So if you do lots of these number sense problems and you get the hang of it later, it's just gonna become, it's not gonna become very hard and challenging. So thank you for watching the video. Please consider subscribing or sharing or commenting or giving a thumbs up, and we'll see you.